Fifth grade, getting ready for sixth grade, lesson 15, polygons on a coordinate grid. Connect, you have learned to plot points on a coordinate grid. You can use that skill to plot polygons on a coordinate grid. Unlock the problem. Camille is designing an indoor greenhouse on a coordinate grid. The floor on the greenhouse is a polygon. The vertices of the polygon can be graphed using the coordinates shown in the table. Plot and describe the floor of the greenhouse. What do X and Y represent in the table? So they give you a table. What would that represent on the grid?
The X, Y.
The X and Y, what are those called?
Axis.
Well, they are axes, but when you're given a pair, they're called what?
X-axis.
Coordinates, right? Okay, so they would be the X and Y coordinates of a point. Plot the polygon on a coordinate grid. Write ordered pairs. Use each row of the table to write an ordered pair. So they already did 10, 1. It'd be 2,
6.
6. What would be the next one?
2, 1.
2, 1. Next one.
6, 10.
Next one.
10, 6.
10, 6. So then they want us to graph each one. So of course the first thing listed, you go along the x-axis, which goes what?
10.
Horizontally or vertically?
Horizontally.
Horizontally. So I'd go over 10 and up 1 and put a dot. Then I would go 6 over 6 and up 2. And then I connect those 2 points. Oh, whoops. I saw what I had written, not. So 2, 6. So over 2 and up 6. Then what?
2, 1.
Over 2 and up 1. Okay, so should I start connecting these yet?
No.
No, because what's going to happen?
It's going to end up wrong.
Are they going to crisscross?
Yeah.
Yep. And in a polygon, do you want things to crisscross?
No.
No. Okay. So we'll wait to connect them later, right? So we just did 2, 1, then we did 6, we should do 6, 10. What should we do next?
10, 6.
10, 6. Now can I connect them?
Yes.
Yes, because we want a polygon, and if I go ahead and connect them, then I should be able to see my figure. Now, if you want to, you can use a ruler. You don't have to use a ruler, though. If you kind of cannot draw straight or get a straight line, then you might consider that. Okay? All right, connect the points. So the floor on the floor of the greenhouse is a
Polygon.
What is a polygon? But what polygon?
Pentagon.
A pentagon. What if the greenhouse floor had only 4 of the 5 vertices given in the table and did not include 6, 10? What would the shape of the floor be? So if we would not have put 6, 10 in here, we would have just come straight across from here to here, right? So what would that polygon have been?
A rectangle.
A rectangle.
Square.
A square has to have all equal sides. That would not be equal sides. A parallelogram on a coordinate grid has vertices at 3, 4, 6, 1, and 8, 4. What are the coordinates of the fourth vertex? Explain how you found the answer. So, if we came up here and we went ahead and graphed that. So we did 3, 4. So we went over 3, went up 4, we went over 6 and up 1, and then we went over 8 and up 4. What would our our fourth vertex be, or what could it be?
6, 6.
No.
6, 7.
What if I did 1, 1? Could I do that? Could I?
Yeah.
Yep, because then if I connected it, I'd have a what?
Rhombus.
A rhombus or a parallelogram, right? What if I did 5, 7?
Yeah.
Could I do that? Yep, because I did the same thing, right? What if I did 11, 1? Which they don't show 11 on there, but we could just say we'd go one more over, right? So if I did 11, 1, would that get me that as well? Okay, so our choices could be 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 7, or 11, 1, because we plotted it to join these sides to make a parallelogram. Share and show, plot the polygon with the given vertices on a coordinate grid. Identify the polygon. So it says 9, 6, so I go over 9 and up 6. Then it says 1, 7, so I go over 1 and up 7. And then 3 over 3 and up 1. And then I connect my plots. And then it says identify the polygon. So what polygon is that?
A triangle.
A triangle. Okay. Number 2. You guys tell me what to do.
Go up 1, go up 6.
Okay, next.
Go over 8,
go up 4.
Next.
Go over 1 and up 4.
Next.
Go over 8 and up 6.
Okay. Then
Connect the dot.
connect them. And what is my polygon?
A rectangle.
Okay. So on your own, plot the polygon with the given vertices on a coordinate grid. Identify the polygon. So you guys are going to do that with your partner, and then we'll go over it here in a second. Problem solving. A football field is a rectangle measuring 300 feet by 160 feet. Each unit on a coordinate grid represents 1 foot. 0, 0, and 0, 160 are 2 of the coordinates of a football field drawn on the grid. What are the coordinates of the other 2 vertices? So, what is it measuring? So measuring 300 feet by 160 feet. One of the coordinates is already 0, 0. One is already 0, 160. And then they want to know what are the coordinates of the other 2 vertices. So they already used 0, 0 and 0, 160, right? So will any of those other ones be 0 in the x coordinate? No. Okay. What has to be in the x coordinate now?
1.
300. Okay. So we'd have 300 in one. And then we'd also have 300 in the other. So what would be your coordinates for one of them? You could do 300 and 160. And then what's the other one? What have you not used yet? The 0 and the y coordinate.